Leathermans.
Got a big box of them here.
Yep.
And
we're making these.
there they are. Can I lift this right now?
Yes.
Is it safe? There they all are waiting to be engraved with this cool epilogue laser cutter. You see here the tool path. All right.
Let it go.
So it's doing like 4 at a time.
Yeah.
Is it safe to look at that? Probably
it's
not.
Really bright.
How long does it take?
3 minutes.
How come it was so much louder before?
I had the air compressor.
What was the air compressor? Is the air compressor hooked up to this?
Mm-hmm.
What's the purpose of it?
It's to blow off the dust.
Oh, okay.
After it.
How many of these do you have to make?
This is a box for them.
Are these going to be sold on the maker shed?
I think we sold, or I guess we're running low on these. So that's why we're making more.
Oh, okay. Can I open it?
Yeah.
No? And there it is. What beautiful workmanship.
I didn't even know you guys hit the go button.